guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very good, al bacio. I'm going to make a vegetable cake. I'm gonna cook it in the tin. What we need? I gonna use this, but you can use any vegetable you like. It's 2 aubergines. I already cut, I dice it, and I put some salt, 1 zucchini, 1 pepper, red pepper, 1 red onion. I'm gonna use 4 eggs, 100 ml of milk, 150 grams of plain flour, and salt and pepper, 40 grams of Parmesan. Now, prepare your pan, because we're gonna cook the vegetable. I recommend dice. Not too small and not too big, because they're gonna cook quickly, and in the cake we're gonna make, they're gonna look very nice. And some nice olive oil, and we start out the onion, the red peppers, and now I start with these 2, because they need a little bit longer, the pepper. In a couple of minutes we're gonna add the courgette and the aubergine. If you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Yeah, the courgette. Now I leave it to cook a few minutes. Is the time for the aubergine. Okay, this is 2 aubergine. The aubergine is more than that. The other one I use 1 pepper, 1 zucchini, 1 onion, and 2 aubergine. Salt, some pepper. That's it, and we leave. Now we put the lid on. We leave that around 15 minutes. I'm gonna use 4 eggs, all eggs, 4. 100 ml milk inside, some salt, and pepper, and start mix. We make very nice. Now, soon we're gonna add the Parmesan and the flour. Okay guys, 15 minutes is okay, because we're gonna put this again in the oven, and now is a good time to put on the oven, preheat, and now we're gonna finish the butter, okay? Parmesan inside, and the flour put in, and now mix again very well. Now, take all your veg and put it. Now we mix very well everything. Now I'm gonna use this, but you can use any, okay? Take some butter on the bottom, on the side, try to cover all the surface. Plain breadcrumb, the white one, very gently. Put on the bottom. Little bit more from this side. Everywhere, okay? And now everything inside. Fantastic, huh? Beautiful. Go in the oven 35-40 minutes, 190 to 200, but I wanna be more precise later, okay? Ow! Okay. See you later. Guys, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Still warm. It's out from the oven. I cook it 40 minutes, 190 degrees. I will try it. Super soft. Whoa, oh yeah. Yeah, amazing. Very nice. Oh, so delicate. Wow. Guys, is another masterpiece. Well done, Piero. Wow, absolutely delicious. Super. My vegetable cake tin is this. Very stunning. Wow. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.